Introducing the all-new Yamaha FZS FI V4 2026, a machine that blends aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and Yamaha's trusted performance DNA. Standing tall in its striking red finish, this Streetfighter immediately commands attention from the very first glance. The sharp LED headlamp, golden upside-down forks, and muscular tank shrouds create a powerful presence under the spotlight. Every detail has been crafted to give you confidence, whether you're gliding through the city streets or hitting the open road. From the rear, the design continues to impress. The sleek LED taillight and bold rear tire profile highlight its sporty character, while the side-mounted exhaust adds a touch of modern performance. Reflections on the polished showroom floor enhance its premium look, and the glowing Yamaha logo in the background reminds you of its legendary heritage. Moving to the side profile, the FZS FI V4 reveals its perfectly balanced stance. The sculpted fuel tank, aerodynamic lines, and refined monoshock suspension emphasize both style and practicality. This is a motorcycle built for daily riders who crave excitement but also value comfort and reliability. The alloy wheels and street-focused tires ensure stability and grip, making it ready for every twist and turn. Step closer to the cockpit, and you'll find yourself surrounded by technology. The full digital TFT display provides clear, sharp information at a glance, while the wide handlebars and premium switchgear keep everything within your control. The ergonomics are designed to make every ride feel natural, combining sportiness with day-to-day usability. Up close, the front section reveals its aggressive DNA. The LED headlamp shines with precision, while the sporty tank and golden forks add to the bike's dynamic appeal. At the rear, the details continue. From the compact tail light to the strong rear disc brake, every element has been engineered for performance. Adding a touch of lifestyle, the display with a helmet and gloves reminds us that this bike is more than a machine. It's an extension of your personality, ready to ride whenever you are. And finally, the engine detail captures Yamaha's craftsmanship. With fuel-injected technology, efficient cooling, and a clean, powerful layout, the heart of the FZS FI V4 2026 delivers smooth, responsive performance that you can trust. The Yamaha FZS FI V4 2026 is not just a motorcycle. It is a statement of style, technology, and performance, built for riders who demand nothing less than excellence.